Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code Decode. This is the seventh day of 30 days DSA challenge. Today we are going to medium level question from Leetcode. It all about rotate an image. The image contains a 2D matrix n into n, which means the same length and same with rows and columns, same rows and columns. What we have to do is rotate the image to 90-degree clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, which means to modify the 2D matrix directly, do not allocate any other 2D matrix and do the rotation. What they are saying is we should not allocate any other additional spaces for the new matrix. We have to change the value in the existing matrix. And also what they are given there is, if you are solving this in a Java, you can see they have already provided void function. Void function should not return anything. So we have to change those value in the given array itself. And also if you see, this is how the matrix works. You can see the 7 comes to this place and 9 comes to this place and 1 goes to this place. Likewise, they are moving in a clockwise direction. This is what we have to achieve. And if you see in a second, I can give you in a quick example. If you see, 1 goes to this place, 7 goes to this place, 3 goes to this one, and 9 goes to this place. Likewise, 4 goes here, 2 goes here, 6 here, and 8 here. Likewise, we have to rotate the values as per the location. In this scenario, you can see 5 goes in this place, 11 goes here, 16 goes here, 15 goes here, 1 goes here, 10 will be here, 12 here, and 13 will be here. Okay guys, this is how we have to change the location of the values. Okay guys, let's see how we are going to achieve through the code. For this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the matrix length. Before that, we just make sure the length of the array is n into n cross. If they are not given this value, we need to write the if condition in the beginning of the code also. But they have promised that it is an n to n matrix only, so we don't need to do the condition from the beginning. After that, I'm going to create a new variable for the length of the matrix of length. After that, I'm going to create a for loop. The for loop is used to iterate through the layers. And what I'm talking about layers is there was a layer for this, sorry, this to this, this to this, this to this, and this is one layer, and this is one layer. Likewise, we are considering those as a layer, and I'm going to create a for loop based on the layer only. Layer is equal to 0, layer lesser than n divided by 2, number of rows divided by 2. After that, I'm gonna create another two variables. Name of first is equal to layer, and last is equal to n minus n, in the sense the length of the matrix minus 1 minus layer. Okay, after that I'm going to create another for loop, nested for loop, for int I is equal to first, I lesser than last, I plus plus, int. Okay, I will give a quick explanation what we are doing here. I'm going to create a for loop with a layer of 0 and layer of n by 2. For example, the n value is here we can consider 3. 3 divided by 2, which gives a value of 1. Yeah, we should not consider the remainder part. Okay, it will give value of 1. After that, we are okay. Instead of this minimal value, we can assign the greater value. Okay, instead of 3, I'm going to take it as 4. This might be good. Okay, n by 2, and it will n value should be here 4. The answer of layer, the maximum of layer is 2. Okay, and the layer plus plus. And I'm going to create a, for the first time, the first layer will be, first value will be as 0, and the last will be as n minus 1 minus layer. The layer value of layer is 0, n value is 4, and 4 minus 1 3, and this will be as 3. Okay, and I'm going to create another for loop. The first value is already it was 0, and the last value is it was 3. And I'm going to create another variable offset I minus first int. I'm going to create another variable top matrix of first of I. You can see the value matrix first of I. First, what is the value of first is 0, and I value is 0. It will get the value of 5. 0 comma 0 gets the value of 5. Okay, after that I'm going to create I'm going to assign a value. Okay, actually this I'm actually assigning the matrix of 0 comma 0, the variable of top. I'm going to call this, because we are switching the value in the same matrix, right? So we should not assign any other value. And I'm going to create, not create, I'm going to assign another value, last minus offset first. For 0 comma 0, I'm assigning last minus offset. What is the value of last is value of last is 3. Offset value is 0, because already it was first value was 0, and I value itself it was 0, so it was 0. So last minus offset, it will gives a value of 3. Already the first value of 0, first value is we are having 0 value, so 3 comma 0 gets the value of 15. It will assigning the value to this place. This is how it works. And I'm going to create, and I'm going to change the value from this to putting those value and assigning another value for this place. Okay, they have given some error for us. Okay, we just rectify this. Matrix last okay. After that, likewise I'm going to assign this one with another value, matrix I last, and for this I'm going to assign top value. Likewise, each and every iteration, it will go through one by one layer and change those values. Okay guys, this is the code. Let's run it. Let's see if we have any done syntax or typo mistake. Yeah, there was an typo. Actually, in most of the location we have missed the matrix name. Correct. I'm going to run it one more time. Yeah, in this place also we have missed it. Yes, guys, the code run good. I'm going to submit it. Let's see what we are having. That's it. Let's see the another challenge. Bye bye.